Hi world. So this is a little summary of the conversation with Nastya Kolesnikova about building a new kind of community that we had today. So there were a lot of thoughts there. One of the thoughts is that a lot of the times when things seem to break down, especially in the communities in the terms of collaboration, is when people are from the very beginning not clear about their true intentions. Because as soon as someone is not clear about their intentions, they say that, oh, this is for networking or for the good of the world, but inside they have some thoughts about their egos or some monetary reasons, and then other people start to sense it, and it's kind of underspoken, and then things really start to kind of get messy. So the thing is, like, the rule that for our small meta community that we're building is probably should be that we have to keep each other accountable about the real intentions that stand behind us doing what we're doing, and then inviting other people to kind of join in, collaborate, etc. That's one thing. Like, the thought on top of that is that sometimes we are not really aware of our own intentions, so we need help breaking it down and really kind of understanding what they are. So talking to each other can actually be a really good way of bringing this up and not being afraid of asking each other these uncomfortable questions, until we really see what the truth is. Seems like a good value that can go out of it. So these are, I think, two main thoughts that I have. Also, there are notes from the meeting that I will attach, so you can look into more things that we were talking about. But yeah, I think that's the main takeaway that I want to think about and kind of try and make a system that encourages us to be really honest about our initial intentions and intentions as we go forward.